Hey, I saw this post earlier today from Storytelling with Data about the age of attendees at a family reunion, and that reminded me that I had done something similar like this, but it was with employees and total employees within a organization. And I took it a step further, I should say, and highlighted my min and max as well. And I can show you that. I was just going to show you a quick video on how I did this. And so if you look here, it's very similar to what she showed, storytelling with data. Did the max employees for this age group and the min, and all that really is just a calculated column and grouping the employees in this data set. If you have date of birth, in my case, and then by employee ID, and then total number of employees right here, which is just counting rows. But what I did to make this is just a standard native visual in Power BI, which is just a clustered column chart. And the first thing I did was create a calculated column and just grouping all the ages, and I kind of narrowed it down by 5 years. So you have your 30 to 34 age people, 40 to 44, 45, 49, so forth. And this is really just the DAX measure for it. You're just taking max X values by the employee ID, and then your employee date of birth, taking the date difference from the birth date compared to today by year, and then just say switch true, and you have an unknown. If there's not a birth date in there listed in the data set, you've got that covered. But then it just kind of breaks down every age group by 5 years and then returns the age group. And that's pretty much it. And then if you go to that chart, you just drop it in age group by 5 years in the x-axis. In the y, you just do total employees, and there you have it. Did some formatting where I kind of put the border around each column. And then under formatting for this visual, I just did a conditional formatting where I just have the max min of the employees by that group, per, just different colors. Slate gray, this is a shade of white, and I believe this color is called tangerine. And then you just have a nice slicer over here where you can just pick and sort, and it'll kind of reorganize, but it's always going to be an ascending order. And then lastly, to show you real quick, you want to sort the axis by age group by 5 years and then ascending order, and you will always get this from youngest to oldest. But just wanted to show you that real quick. I hope you found that useful. You can always look me up on YouTube with my YouTube channel. DataAxe is the name, and always visit my website with that same name. If you have any questions, find this interesting, drop me comments, or you can even message me. So have a good day, and I hope you found this useful. Talk to you later.